Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I mentioned that I was redoing my couch that was in the living room on the main floor. I loved it when I got it, but I felt that it looked too overwhelmed with pillows, and I love my decorative pillows, but because the back of the couch had so many pillows to begin with, it makes it a little harder for me to decorate with my decorative pillows without it looking too much. So I decided to use some IKEA curtains so that it would match perfectly with the IKEA couch. Very similar in color and texture of the fabric that the couch is originally from. And I decided to do longer pillows, so it looks like there's less pillows, and it took me quite a while. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure if I like it more, or I don't know. I think it's something that I'm gonna have to get used to, or maybe I can always change it up. I kept the pillow covers. Let me know, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the longer cushions or the smaller cushions? I think that it makes it easier for me to decorate with my decorative pillows without it looking too cluttered, too much, too overwhelming. So either or, I love them both. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of time, but I do think it looks a little bit less messy and a little bit more minimalist, which is the look that I was going for. Also, I actually have an announcement. I say an announcement, but I have news. I do YouTube, and I also have my online store, Koakaya, where there is home decor, there's jewelry, there is clothing, and I wanted to let you know that from today, I will be having beauty products on my shop. So I'm so excited. You already know I cannot narrow down things that I love. So I wanted my shop to be a place where you can get everything that you love under one roof. And that is something I do, whether it's my YouTube channel or it's something that I do when it comes to my home decor. And beauty products are right up there. I had a lot of health issues, so I decided to change as much as I can when it came to beauty and what I put on my skin. We all know all of the toxins and stuff that a lot of our products carry, and it was so important to me to have clean products. I will be having makeup, skincare products, from self-tanners to tools that I use. Everything that is in that shop I use on my face. I'm working with different brands to carry their line in the store, and I am so excited to share them with you. If you're interested, go check out some of the beauty products. I will leave a link down below for you guys. I don't have children, so for me, this is my baby. My baby is Koakaya. It's YouTube. It means so much to me. I put all of my love, sweat, and tears into everything that I do, and I hope that you feel it and it comes across. And Koakaya is not an exception either, and I wanted to bring in new and fresh things to the plate, and I thought that beauty products were something that I love so much. So it's like getting everything under one roof. That's what I created. I will probably be doing another video of how I use the products, what the products are. There are so many, so that would probably take forever to do, but I will be doing a couple of videos to show you my skincare routine. I've been using all of the products that I have on Koakaya for quite a while, and I love how it makes my skin feel, and the fact that they are all natural. There is no yucky stuff. There's no bad stuff in there. Sometimes we trust a lot of companies, and you later on read in the ingredients that there are horrible things in there that are hormone disruptors, can completely make you sick. So for me, it was important to share some of my beauty products that I have found along the way. There will also be perfumes, so stay tuned for that. So perfumes, hair care products, all of the beauty, everything beauty, from hair to beauty tools to skincare to body care, all of that will be on Koakaya. So anyway, without further ado, I am going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. So this is the current situation with the couch. I love it. It's beautiful. However, I think with all of my decorative pillows everywhere, I think the way that the couch is made, I feel as though it looks like there's too many pillows. So what I was thinking of doing is creating sort of two log pillows for the back instead of having a whole bunch of little pillows like this, which I feel looks nice if you don't have any decorative pillows, or you have maybe two decorative pillows. But because I love my decorative pillows so much, I feel it's too many pillows. I don't know if that makes sense. So I was thinking of creating longer pillows and making it look less cluttered, because I feel as though with the shelves and all of the decorative pieces on the shelves, plus on the table, I feel it's a lot. I think it's not the worst thing. It's still pretty, but it's something that I feel I want to change, do a little revamp, and see how it turns out. Okay, so let me show you. I end up getting these curtains at IKEA. You came with me on my little IKEA adventure. I ended up getting 2 packages of curtains, which has 2 in each, which in total has 4. I'm going to create about 4 pillows, so I should be good. Each panel is going to be 1 log pillow, and the reason why I got it at IKEA is because it is almost the same fabric as the couch. It looks very similar. I've done some pillows with the couch previously and it just looks very similar. So I wanted a similar fabric to the couch. What I'm gonna do is use the curtains, but I'm also gonna use the pillows that I have right now. Normally I would buy other pillow inserts. I'm gonna reuse these, take the stuffing out, use the stuffing that's in the pillow, and hopefully it will look okay in the log pillow. I'm not sure, because they're separated, there's gonna be a line in the middle, so I'll have to see. If not, then I'll add a little bit more stuffing in the middle and you will not see anything. But instead of just storing these, I thought of using them and not having to buy more stuffing. So there you go. So that's what I'm gonna do, and try to create a more, I would say, minimalist. I will never be minimalist, but just making it look less cluttered. That's my goal. I'm gonna start measuring how long each pillow insert has to be. I'm thinking 1 here, another 1 here, 1 here, and then 1 at the end as well. They have to be big enough to lean back in and be comfortable. So I'm thinking the height of this pillow is perfect. So I will be taking a pillow and using it as a guide. So I'm gonna measure from here to see where the middle is exactly, because I do want it to be somewhat symmetric. And then from that point on, I will do the same size for those pillows over there. So anyway, let's go ahead and start doing that. And then once that's done, I can start sewing. So before I do the reveal, I want to say a big thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know if you like it before or after. Outfit, I got this at Lack of Colors. This jumpsuit, it's the cutest little jumpsuit. It has all of these pinstripes and it's a pant jumpsuit. I actually found this at the thrift store. It was brand new with tags and they had several colors, but I thought it was so cute, and I thought maybe some with my cowboy boots and tuck it in. I thought it was an easy throw on. You know, I love my jumpsuits. So jumpsuit, necklaces, koakaya, jewelry koakaya, and that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below, be a part of the family. So let's jump right into the final result.